What's more, I discovered 5 types of snoring and how to diagnose and treat each. You see, snoring is always caused by something partly blocking and narrowing your breathing passages, throat, nasal passages, mouth. Then, the soft tissues in your breathing passages flap in the airflow, like trash blowing down tight alleys, making the loud noise. But what blocks the breathing passages differs from person to person. So, here are the 5 things that block the airflow, causing the 5 types of snoring. You may have more than one of these types. 1. Throat clamping down, often associated with sleep apnea. 2. Tongue falling into the throat while sleeping. 3. Narrow nasal passages or congestion blocking the airflow. 4. Tension in the jaw narrowing the air passages, more common than you'd think. 5. The soft palate is too weak or unusually big. This is one of the most common diagnoses for completely unnecessary snoring surgeries. That's why different things work for different people. Nasal strips will do no good if your snoring is caused by weak tongue muscles. And a soft palate surgery won't help if your throat is to blame. All these magical cures for snoring you see advertised online and TV take on one of these issues at best. That's why they don't work for most people. And that's why they failed at curing your snoring before. Plus, if they do work for a while, you'll have to keep on using them for the rest of your life. They're not cures, only temporary bandages. And who wants to have to sleep with a nose tape or jaw strap every night for the rest of their life? Not to mention if you need a CPAP machine for sleep apnea. I, however, have developed 24 stop snoring exercises that each focus on a specific issue, and they will permanently cure your snoring and sleep apnea. And the exercises work fast. Whereas it took me 3 weeks to permanently cure my snoring, most people using my new improved snoring exercises achieved the same thing within a week, and often the very first night. Here's what Pauline shared with me after her husband avoided surgery by using the stop snoring and sleep apnea exercises. I'd been threatening my snoring husband of 23 years with laser surgery, something neither of us wanted to risk, when a friend told us about your stop snoring exercises. Needless to say, I rushed online and got a copy. The exercises do work. They are safe, simple to practice, and proved very effective. Pauline E., Norway. So, here is how you'll permanently cure your snoring in 3 steps. Are you ready to wake up refreshed and happy every morning and share a smile with your lovely partner? To go through the whole day full of energy and joy? And to go to sleep every night relaxed without dreading that snoring and sleep apnea will ruin yet another good night's sleep? Is it worth it to spend 3 minutes of simple exercises today to gain that life and say goodbye to snoring forever? If the answer is yes, then please don't wait another minute. Click the order button below now.